Ever wondered why the same drug is available in different forms like tablets, capsules, or injections? It's all down to formulation design. Formulation design is a crucial process in the pharmaceutical industry. It's the art and science of concocting the right mixture of ingredients to create a drug product. It's not just about mixing substances together. It's about creating a concoction that's stable, effective, and safe for consumption. This process is incredibly important because it directly impacts the effectiveness of a drug. Think about it. You could have the most potent drug in the world, but if it's not formulated properly, it could be ineffective or even harmful. That's why pharmaceutical companies invest heavily in formulation, design, and development. Formulation design involves the careful selection and combination of different ingredients, also known as excipients. These excipients play a vital role in the formulation. They can improve the drug's stability, enhance its absorption in the body, and even make it more palatable. Formulation design also determines the drug's dosage form, whether it's a tablet, a capsule, an injection, a cream, or a syrup. Each form has its own advantages and challenges. For instance, tablets are easy to manufacture and convenient to use, but they might not be suitable for drugs that are unstable in the gastric environment. On the other hand, injections can deliver drugs directly into the bloodstream, ensuring rapid and complete absorption. But they are invasive and require trained personnel for administration. Hence, the choice of dosage form is a careful balance between the drug's properties, patient convenience, and safety considerations. Formulation design also involves the creation of a manufacturing process that's efficient, reproducible, and scalable. This is critical because a drug that works well in the lab might not necessarily work well when produced on a large scale. So, you see, formulation design is not just about making a drug. It's about making a drug that works. It's about making a drug that's safe. And it's about making a drug that can reach the people who need it. Understanding formulation design can be the key to unlock the full potential of any drug. The principles of dosage form design are the foundation of any effective drug. Now let's delve into these principles and understand their importance. Essentially, they provide a roadmap, guiding the metamorphosis of a drug from a mere molecule to a consumable form. These principles aren't just rules to abide by, they are crucial for ensuring the safety and efficacy of the drug. Firstly, we have the principle of compatibility. This principle stresses the importance of ensuring that the drug and the excipients used in the formulation are compatible with each other. It's like cooking. Just as you can't mix certain ingredients together, the same applies to drugs. Some substances can cause chemical reactions that may potentially alter the drug's properties, rendering it ineffective or even harmful. Next, we have the principle of stability. This principle ensures the drug remains effective throughout its shelf life. It's like buying a carton of milk. You wouldn't want it to spoil before its expiry date, right? Similarly, a drug should remain potent and safe till its expiration date. Then there's the principle of bioavailability. This principle ensures that the drug is absorbed into the body's system in the correct amount and at the right speed. Just imagine launching a rocket into space. If the speed and trajectory aren't right, it won't reach its destination. Likewise, a drug needs to reach its target site in the body in the correct amount and at the right time to be effective. Lastly, we have the principle of patient acceptability. This principle ensures that the drug is in a form that's easy to consume and is palatable. After all, a drug is only effective if it is actually taken. So you see, these principles are not just rules. They are the guiding lights in the complex maze of drug formulation. They ensure that the drug we consume is safe, effective, and acceptable. The principles of dosage form design are a roadmap to creating safe and effective drugs. Biopharmaceutical considerations play a critical role in the design of a drug dosage form. Let's unwrap that statement, shall we? At its core, biopharmaceutical considerations revolve around understanding how the body interacts with a drug. This is a fascinating dance of chemistry and biology that begins the moment a drug enters the body and ends when it is finally excreted. The journey of a drug starts with absorption. This is where the drug leaves its dosage form and enters the bloodstream. The design of a dosage form can significantly impact how quickly this happens. For instance, a drug designed to dissolve quickly will be absorbed faster than one designed to dissolve slowly. Next, the drug is distributed throughout the body. Where it goes depends on a variety of factors, including its chemical properties and the body's physiology. Biopharmaceutical considerations are crucial here as they help predict where in the body the drug will have the most impact. Once the drug has reached its destination, it's time for metabolism. This is the process where the body breaks down the drug, often changing its chemical structure. This is a critical stage as it determines how long the drug will stay active in the body. A drug that is metabolized too quickly may not have enough time to exert its therapeutic effect, while one that is metabolized too slowly could lead to toxicity. Finally, the drug is eliminated from the body, typically through the kidneys. Just like the other stages, this process is influenced by the drug's design. Some drugs are designed to be excreted unchanged, while others are modified by the body before they are removed. So you see, biopharmaceutical considerations are not just about understanding the body's interaction with a drug, but also about using this knowledge to design drugs that are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in a way that ensures their optimal performance. Biopharmaceutical considerations ensure that a drug works exactly as it's supposed to. They are the invisible puppeteers pulling the strings behind the scenes, shaping the journey of a drug from the moment it enters the body until it bids its farewell. Therapeutic and drug-related considerations are the final piece of the puzzle in dosage form design. It's like the final brushstroke on a masterpiece painting, tying everything together and ensuring the overall effectiveness of the medication. So what exactly are these considerations? Simply put, they are the factors that influence how a drug operates within the body. They determine how safe and efficient a drug is and how well it can provide the desired therapeutic effect. These considerations could range from the drug's chemical stability to its interaction with the body's biological systems, and even to its compatibility with other medications a patient might be taking. Let's dive a bit deeper into this. The chemical stability of a drug is a crucial factor. If a drug is not stable, it might degrade before reaching its target site in the body, rendering it ineffective. Therefore, the formulation of the drug must ensure its stability throughout its shelf life and during its journey within the body. Next, let's consider the drug's interaction with the body's biological systems. For a drug to be effective, it must be able to reach its target site within the body. This requires a careful consideration of the body's physiological and biochemical processes. For instance, a drug designed to act on the brain must be able to cross the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that prevents potentially harmful substances from entering the brain. Lastly, the drug's compatibility with other medications is another key consideration. Many patients are on multiple medications, and it's crucial to ensure that a new drug does not negatively interact with these existing medications, causing adverse effects. In essence, therapeutic and drug-related considerations are all about striking the right balance. They ensure that a drug delivers the desired therapeutic effect, while minimizing any potential side effects or negative interactions. It's a delicate dance, a balance of science and art, and it's what makes the field of drug design so fascinating and challenging. Therapeutic and drug-related considerations ensure that a drug does more good than harm. It's the final assurance in the complex process of drug design that the patient's well-being is always at the forefront. Formulation design and dosage form design are more than just science. They're an art. They are the backbone of the pharmaceutical industry, the scaffolding that supports the development of effective, safe, and reliable medications. Let's take a quick look back at what we've explored today. We started with the concept of formulation design, a complex process that involves the careful selection and combination of various ingredients to create a drug. It's like a carefully choreographed dance where every step, every move matters. The goal? To create a medication that is not only effective, but also safe and stable. We then dove into the principles of dosage form design. This is where the magic really happens. It's not enough to just create a drug. we have to consider how it will be delivered to the body. Whether it's a tablet, a capsule, an injection, or a patch, the dosage form plays a critical role in ensuring the drug is absorbed and distributed in the body in the most effective way. Next, we tackled biopharmaceutical considerations. This is where the science of pharmacology meets the art of formulation design. We looked at how the body's physiological processes influence the way a drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted. It's a fascinating dance between the drug and the body, each influencing the other in myriad ways. Finally, we explored therapeutic and drug-related considerations. This is where we consider the intended therapeutic effect of the drug, its potential side effects, and the patient's specific needs and circumstances. It's a delicate balancing act, one that requires a deep understanding of both the science and the art of drug design. And that's a wrap on the fascinating world of formulation and dosage form design. The journey we've taken today is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn, to explore, so why not join us on this journey? Subscribe for more, because you won't find me later.